In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shadow in Affinity Designer. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go ahead and click on your image, your PNG, whatever you want to add the shadow on, and then you want to right-click it and click on the rasterize over here. Now, when you rasterize, you want to go to your layers, click on the layer you want to go ahead and add the shadow to, and then click on down here where it says Layer Effects, and here you'll be able to see it says Outer Shadow. Now, you can go ahead and, of course, use the inner shadow as well. I'm going to use the outer one right now. You want to click the check mark next to it, click on it, and then over here, you can go ahead and, of course, customize your shadow. So for me, I want the shadow to go down here to the bottom left at around the angle of 225. And then I'm going to do the up here, the blend mode, I want to do normal here. And I'm going to do the radius, which I want a bit bigger. I'm going to do the offset as well, and then some intensity over here. And then the opacity, I'm going to actually make it a bit bigger like that. There we go. And then here you can then just, of course, adjust whatever you want to do. As you can see right now, I'm adding the shadow. That's completely up to you, whatever you want to achieve with this. So you can customize this and play around. And then here you can just click on close whenever you're done. And as you can see, I now have a nice little shadow here over my YouTube logo. So that's the easiest way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.